Okay everyone, so now what I've done is I've switched cameras and I'm using the X100 to record video. The difference in video is going to be that this is still high definition, but it's 720p rather than the 1080p I was shooting with my Canon. You can actually see my Canon here, probably for one of the first times in video. It's a Canon Mark II, 5D Mark II, and I was switched over to shooting with my 100mm lens on here, and to give you that close-up view of things. But you can see that it's significantly different in size than the X100. And the other thing I didn't mention about my X100 is that compared to the interchangeable lenses of this Canon camera and other DSLRs, and the zoom abilities of this point and shoot, the X100 does not have an ability to switch lenses. So it's a fixed lens, and it's basically a 23mm lens, which I'm told is around 35mm format basically. So you have to, some people say that makes you a better photographer because you don't fiddle around with the electronics and the gear and fiddling with your lenses, and you just focus on the image. And I have to say that it is kind of fun to not have to shuffle gear and think about lenses, and it's all about what image are you trying to capture and where do you need to stand, basically. How do you hold the camera, and forces you to be more creative with the single tool that you have. Which is kind of fun. Now let's see if I can change aperture on the fly here. I'm shooting at 8 here, and it looks like I have a 10 minute window. I did pick up a little bit of battery drain when I started shooting the movie here, but I'm nowhere near being empty. And let's see if it can focus up front. A little bit, I can kind of see it clearly. My hand's not in focus, but I think it's too close. So at least to the LCD it looks nice. Let me switch modes here. Okay, now I'm in 2.8 mode. I'm in the AFC setting. Doesn't appear that I can shoot in macro mode with a movie, which is, I guess, interesting. Well, doesn't seem to want to shoot too close, but I can tell it is trying to focus. And anyway, so let's see how the video looks like compared to my other one when I process this. Thanks everyone.